Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be my post-travel reset routine. My boyfriend Aussie and I have been in LA for the last month, and I honestly don't think I've ever been away from home for that long before. We got home pretty late last night and I just went straight to the shower and then to bed, so I haven't touched any of my luggage. Side note, I had housekeeping come before we left last month to really do just like a nice deep clean throughout our apartment, and it felt so good to come home last night to a perfectly clean apartment. Shout out to HP Housekeeping. Use my code Sloan15 for 15% off if you're in the Dallas area and you want to try housekeeping or you're looking for someone to clean your space really well. I love them. But yeah, the apartment is nice and squeaky clean, and I'm gonna try to keep it that way for at least the next week or so. First things first in this post-travel reset routine is laundry and unpacking all of my clothes. Okay, so I just unpacked and got started on the very first round of laundry. There's gonna be a lot of laundry to do in the next couple of days, but it feels really good to at least be unpacked because I don't know if it's just me, but that's my least favorite part about coming home from a trip, is having to like just run around putting everything away, and I hate laundry so much. But now I'm about to go downstairs to the mail room to get all of the packages that I've received over the last month. It's about to be a lot, I already know, because I get notifications when I get new packages in the mailroom, and I've just gotten, I don't even know how many this past month while I've been in LA. So we're gonna go downstairs and get that done. And I already know it's gonna be a shit show, so I'm bringing Aussie along with me to help me load everything up and bring it back up here, and then we're both going to open packages at the same time to make it go by a lot quicker. Okay, this is your sign to become an influencer, because every day is like Christmas morning. Cheers. Okay, so we just got done opening all the packages, and now I'm getting ready. This is my little camera setup to take PR package content for my Instagram story, and I might put a few of them on my TikTok story. I'm not really sure yet, but this is what I do every single time I get like a big haul of PR packages. I just open everything and then take a bunch of photos for my story, since you know that's like low-key what the brand wants, is content and like them to be tagged and everything in exchange for free stuff. So I am just so grateful that this is part of my job. Like, I feel like it's Christmas morning or like my birthday party or something like that. Like, I just keep opening all of these amazing gifts from these great brands. And of course, I don't end up keeping all of the products. After this, when I'm done taking all the photos, I'm actually gonna like open everything and take everything out and then go through what I wanna keep, and then whatever I don't keep, I will just give away to my friends. So I'll probably get around to doing that either this weekend with them or later this week. So yeah, let's go and take this content. I'm making dinner right now, and I'm just cooking my favorite dish in the entire world, green pasta. I haven't had this meal in so long, and I've been craving it so badly. I'm not sure if my post-travel reset is like as satisfying as some may have expected it to be or want it to be. I see so many girls go and like work out and get their nails done and eat like super healthy literally the next morning after coming back home from a trip, and that's just not something that I'm going to do literally the next morning. Anyways, I just wanted to say that your reset routine does not have to be super productive the next day or even like the same day that you get back home from traveling, and it doesn't have to be like picture perfect and super productive, especially if that's not what your body is telling you that it needs. Okay, so I am all showered and ready for bed. You guys have no idea how good it feels to finally be in my own bed and back in my own space. I have Grey's Anatomy up on the TV right now, and I'm gonna fall asleep to that tonight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little post-travel reset routine. There wasn't really much that I did, but I feel like I was pretty productive and I was able to feel kind of refreshed after being gone for so long. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications. You guys already know what to do, and talk to me in the comments. I love when you guys chat with me in the comment section and just tell me your thoughts on the video or just like anything in life. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.